What's happening? I'm gonna go down this river on a kayak today. It's not a lot of water, it's not the best weather, but it's gonna be fun. Let's go. No cap, I didn't really expect that from today. These drops are really something.
Rise it, let it out.
Hey, so I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we are a couple hours into our journey, and yeah, with 2 breaks. They were some long breaks, I ain't gonna lie, but we're gonna go till the finish line this time. So yeah, we are about in the middle of our journey, I guess. Yeah, the weather got pretty nice. I'm pretty warm now. Yeah, let's go.
Bring me his lips, his wild, hungry arms, and all of the love I know. For Johnny to come home and bring me all the love he's waiting. For Johnny to come home and bring me all the
Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, till next time.